Hello, my name is Asa and today I'm going to show you around a forest school in virtual reality. Now, before we head out to the woods, I need you to make sure you're safe to do this experience. You need to be able to stand on the spot with your arms out and turn in a circle without touching anything. It would also be great if you've got room to sit down on your bottom and to lay down on your back. I'll give you a couple of minutes to get yourself all comfortable and set up, and then I shall see you out in the woods over there. Well, here we are. Welcome to our forest school. Behind me we have our fire circle, and over there on your left in the distance is a hammock. But because you've just arrived, I want you to have a few moments to just look at everything in our forest. We are right in the middle of summer, so there are so many plants, trees and animals to see all around. So be still for a few moments and take it all in. What can you see? What can you hear? Don't forget to look up, down and all around you and just have a look. Everything. I'll see you in a little while. Hello again. I really hope you enjoyed that and that helped you feel calm and relaxed in our woods. And I hope you saw some really interesting things while you were standing in the woods there. Right, I've got something else to show you over here, and it's our hammock. So now I need you to lay down on your back and close your eyes, and I'll tell you when to open them. You can open your eyes now. Here you are, laying in a comfortable and relaxing hammock on a beautiful sunny day in the woods. Hammocks are the best place to get an amazing view of the treetops. Up above us here, we have a load of beautiful, very green ash trees. But also use this time while you're laying down to have a look at a new angle of our forest school and see what you can see and hear. Maybe you want to even just have a little nap. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. I hope that was comfy, cozy and relaxing. You can stand up again now. I'd like to show you something over here. Come on. Now, I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of our forest school. We're very lucky here to have so many climbing trees. And this one is unique because this isn't a tree. This is a branch that fell from this tree up here, but landed in another tree, which gives us a great lookout point over everything in our forest. So, hold on tight, you're going to have a great view up there. Let's have a look. Wow! Hello up there. If you look above your head, you'll see where the branch you're standing on used to be. And I bet you can see all the way across the field behind you and all the way across into the woods, over the nettles. You're very lucky to have a view of the woods from up there. Don't forget to look up, down and all around. Looking down must be very exciting. Right, it's time to come down now. I've got one more thing to show you before I go. Okay, so the only thing that's left to do is to sit in our fire circle and enjoy the fire. So sit yourself down and I'll see you in there. Here we are. The fire is so lovely to watch. Can you hear it crackling? It's very warm. I hope you've had a lovely time exploring with me today. It's time to go now, but hopefully I'll see you again in the woods very soon. Bye!